Happy Thursday, parents. I hope that you had a great week and are excited for this 3-day weekend. I know that it was fantastic to be in the classroom with the kiddos, and just their energy makes me so excited each day. The kids also loved our new schedule this week that includes our morning recess coming back, switching for WIN for differentiation, and also being able to eat in the cafeteria 2 times. So I know they were super excited about that. So a couple of dates to get on your calendars. Monday is Avid T-shirt Day, so Monday the 12th. Friday the 16th is College T-shirt Day. And the 16th is also the end of the quarter. And so I know that most of us talked about some scores and some grades during conferences, but please feel free to reach out if you have any questions about grades before the end of the quarter. Also, I just want to say thank you so much for attending conferences on Zoom. We were able to get 100% participation, which was awesome. A couple additional dates. I did send out an email yesterday about Roman Day and Halloween, so make sure you read that email just to give some extra information about those 2 festivals that we have. Aside from that, this week was fantastic. We worked through the standard that involves looking at illustrations and the text to better understand the text during reading, and the kiddos did an awesome job on that. During math, we worked through the distributive property of multiplication and then just using arrays and other strategies that are best for the kiddos to feel more confident in multiplication. We took our unit test on Tuesday and our class average was close to 90%. And so I think that was a huge celebration. I definitely have seen a lot of improvement in math. And so I think that that everything that you guys are doing at home, everything that we're able to do in the classroom, it's just going really well. So thank you for everything you're doing at home as well. We continued our Rome unit this week, and the kids are really enjoying learning more about the history of Rome. And this week we did a little bit of research on different social classes. And so they'll come home next week with some awesome posters about what they learned and researched. And then finally, for writing this week, we worked through text-based writings for narrative, which included extending endings to stories, and they took that and ran with it. They loved it. They did such a great job. They were able to be creative, but they also had a structure to follow, and so I think that it really was a lot of fun for the kids, and they did an awesome job. And so aside from that, it's been a great week, and I can't wait to keep rolling next week. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Other than that, enjoy your weekend.